Every single aspect of this superb duplex beachside apartment 1/7 Ocean View Drive has been thoughtfully, creatively and tastefully updated, renovated and refinished. From the absolutely stunning Planet Kitchen with pantry space, a wealth of bench space, the Falcon combination oven direct from the UK. This is a home that encapsulates the absolute best of relaxed coastal living, from the contemporary interiors right through to the stunning courtyard gardens, the Balinese pavilion, and even thoughtfully, space remaining should anybody want to use this area for the plunge pool. 1/7 Ocean View Drive at Wombrel.